So here's what we got going on. I turned the water to the house off. I forgot to fill up a bucket of water before we started. So we do have about 20 inches of snow on the ground outside. I had my helper Brent fill up a bucket of snow. So we're gonna sweat this valve together, and then we're gonna cool the valve off in the snow. So it's a twofer. You get to see us sweat a little bit, and then you get to we'll see how the hot valve reacts to the snow.
Watch the camera.
I think it's gonna stay far enough away. You know what I mean? I'll just come down here first. Don't let it sit on the...
The bottom one?
But the pliers right there, you'll see. And I still got to do the shower head.
Yeah. We try to get the whole thing done well.
Okay, I didn't know if the pliers might dissipate heat fast enough. Okay. Let it sit for a second. Let it cool off. And actually, hang on. I think the bottom is probably already, yeah. So you can start. That's not going to go down very far. Yeah. That right there is already cool too. Pick it up with the, yeah. Just let it sit there. It'll put it the other way. It'll just let it work itself on down in.
Alright, well, that wasn't as exciting as I had hoped.
No, that's pretty anticlimactic. still melting. I mean, it's still hot. Yeah, just let it sit. It's a good field of view.
Yeah. I'll go ahead and stop it probably. Unfortunately, I don't think that turned out quite how we hoped.
No, it's still hot. Spin it over and let the... Yeah. It'll settle down in. So this was a little bit more anticlimactic than what we thought it was going to be. But, you know, you clicked on it. Imagine when you share this video, how many other people are going to click and waste 6 minutes of their time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Also, be sure to check out the next suggested video that's going to pop up as well. Thank you very much for watching.